Models in project management. Models play a fundamental role in project management, providing a theoretical framework that guides project managers in organizing, analyzing, and planning their activities. These conceptual structures simplify the complexity of projects, helping to identify key variables, understand their interactions, and predict outcomes. Models are not static or rigid solutions, but flexible tools that can be tailored to suit the specific context of a project. Acting as maps, they help project managers navigate through complex and ever-changing landscapes, structuring projects into manageable phases or components, setting priorities, and anticipating potential issues. Moreover, models establish a common language that enhances communication among team members and stakeholders, ensuring alignment with the project's goals and expectations. Using an appropriate model reduces uncertainty, improves decision-making processes, and optimizes resource allocation. There are numerous models employed in project management, each designed to address specific needs and challenges. A critical category includes project lifecycle models. These provide organizational structures that break down complex activities into manageable phases, improving planning and control. Choosing the right lifecycle model has a direct impact on the efficiency, quality, and success of the project. For instance, in less complex projects, phases of a waterfall model can be merged or simplified to save time and resources. Conversely, innovative projects might benefit from an enhanced agile model, incorporating longer cycles for thorough testing. Experienced project managers can combine strengths from various models to create a custom approach. A project with an initial research and development phase might employ an iterative model, followed by an implementation phase managed with a more linear waterfall approach. Additionally, adapting stakeholder engagement strategies to the chosen model is essential. For example, in an agile model, stakeholders may actively participate in sprint reviews, whereas in a waterfall model, their involvement might be limited to key milestones. Such customization ensures better satisfaction of stakeholder expectations and improves communication effectiveness. Each project's timeline constraints require project managers to adjust phase durations or sprint lengths to fit the overall schedule. For urgent projects, agile iterations might be shortened to deliver results more quickly while maintaining work quality. Customization may also involve integrating technological tools to enhance efficiency and communication. Project management software can monitor progress in a waterfall model, while collaborative platforms support agile iterations. Three notable project lifecycle models include the waterfall, agile, and hybrid models. The waterfall model, being one of the most traditional and linear, divides a project into sequential phases such as conception, planning, execution, control, and closure. This model is particularly useful for projects with well-defined goals and requirements from the start, offering clear pathways and predictable timelines. However, its rigidity can be a limitation in environments requiring flexibility. In contrast, the agile model is based on short iterative cycles called sprints, enabling incremental project development. After each sprint, the team delivers a functional outcome which stakeholders can evaluate and refine in subsequent cycles. This flexibility makes Agile particularly suited for complex projects or those with evolving requirements, such as software development or innovative product creation. Agile adapts quickly to changes, improving stakeholder satisfaction and minimizing risks of delays or inconsistencies. The hybrid model merges elements from traditional and iterative approaches, such as combining Waterfall's planning rigor with Agile's adaptive implementation. This approach is ideal for projects requiring strict planning, but also needing flexibility in later stages. By blending the two methodologies, the hybrid model balances structure and adaptability, capitalizing on the strengths of each. Understanding and effectively utilizing these models empower project managers to navigate the intricacies of their work. Risk management is a crucial component for the success of any project. By employing structured methodologies, project managers can identify, analyze, mitigate, and monitor risks that might hinder the achievement of project objectives. These models are essential not only for anticipating potential problems, but also for offering concrete strategies to minimize their impact or even capitalize on hidden opportunities. In this session, we will explore 3 key risk management models, their importance, and how they can be tailored to the everyday work of a project manager. One widely used model is the probability and impact matrix, which serves as a visual and straightforward tool for categorizing risks based on their likelihood and their impact on the project. This 2-dimensional grid places risks into high, medium, or low categories, depending on these parameters. Such prioritization enables the project manager to focus resources and attention on the most critical risks. A well-structured matrix provides clarity and facilitates communication with the team and stakeholders, creating a shared understanding of priorities. Another powerful tool is the Bowtie model, an advanced approach combining the analysis of causes and consequences for any given risk. This visualization resembles a butterfly, with the risk itself at the center, potential causes on the left side and potential consequences on the right. The model also outlines prevention strategies to avoid the risk and mitigation strategies to reduce its impact if it does occur. The Bowtie model proves invaluable in complex projects where interconnected risks demand a thorough and systematic management approach. For those working in high-stakes environments, the Monte Carlo model is particularly effective. This quantitative technique relies on statistical simulations, running thousands of scenarios to generate a range of possible project outcomes. By considering the identified risks and their probabilities, the model offers a comprehensive view of the cumulative impact of uncertainties. With this detailed understanding, project managers can make well-informed decisions, a necessity for initiatives involving emerging technologies or volatile markets. Understanding and mastering these risk management models are indispensable for project managers. Risks are an inherent part of every project, and proactive management can distinguish success from failure. These models provide structured and methodical approaches that empower project managers to handle uncertainty with confidence and competence. The ability to adapt and select the most appropriate model for the project context not only optimizes resource sources, but also enhances communication with teams and stakeholders. By offering a common language and clear visual tools, these models demystify the complexity of risks, fostering collaborative and effective project management. Customizing risk management models. Each project is characterized by a unique combination of risks, making it essential to adapt risk management models to reflect these specificities. For instance, in the probability and impact matrix, the values assigned to probability and impact can be tailored to the criticality of the project. In scenarios with narrow margins, even risks with moderate impact might need to be assigned high priority. Often, a single model may not suffice for addressing complex risks. Combining different models, such as using the probability and impact matrix for initial classification and the Bowtie model to analyze causes and consequences, can provide a more comprehensive and in-depth understanding of the risks involved. Each model incorporates standard strategies for managing risks, but these can and should be adapted to align with the project's unique characteristics. In the Bowtie model, for example, prevention and mitigation measures can be tailored based on available resources, local regulations, or team expertise. Such customization ensures that the strategies are both practical and effective in the given context. The process of personalizing models is dynamic, requiring adjustments throughout the project's life cycle. As risks evolve, the project manager must regularly update the models used. This necessitates continuous feedback collection from the team and stakeholders, enabling the refinement of parameters and enhancing the model's overall effectiveness. Feedback loops are invaluable for capturing changes in risk profiles and for improving model performance over time. Leveraging risk management software can significantly simplify the customization process. Advanced digital platforms allow project managers to easily adjust parameters, visualize results in real time, and automate simulations. These tools make it more feasible to apply complex models such as Monte Carlo simulations, even in dynamic and fast-paced environments. By embracing tailored approaches and utilizing modern tools, project managers can ensure that risk management models are not only relevant, but also highly effective in addressing the specific challenges of their projects. This adaptability fosters more accurate risk assessments, informed decision-making, and ultimately a greater likelihood of project success.